I am going to teach you narration. The word narration means statements. It is made of the word narrate. Narrate means to say or to state. The synonym of narration is assertion or statement or declaration. Narration. One, direct speech, and second, indirect speech. Now, you would like to know the meaning of direct speech and indirect speech. I will tell you, I will explain you one by one. Number one, direct speech. When an audience expresses the statement of a speaker in the words or language of the speaker, it is called direct speech. The statement of a speaker is put inside the inverted commas. For example, he said, I am hungry. Indirect speech. When an audience expresses the statement of a speaker in his words or language, it is called indirect speech. The inverted commas are removed in this speech. For example, he said that he was hungry. Now, reporting speech. The part of the direct speech which is outside of the inverted commas is called reporting speech. The verb used in the reporting speech is called reporting verb. The subject and object used in the reporting speech are called reporter, and the object of reporting verb is respectively. For example, Mohan said to Sohan, inverted comma, I help you. Mohan. In this sentence, Mohan is reporter or subject of reporting verb. Said to is reporting verb and Sohan the object of reporting verb. And the part which is in inverted commas, inside the inverted commas is called reported speech. Reported speech. The part of the direct speech which is inside the inverted commas is called reported speech. The verb of the reported speech is called the verb of the reported speech. Now you have to remember something. Note, the reporting verb may be used in the beginning or in the middle or in the last of the sentence. For example, he said, inverted comma, I write a letter. In this sentence, reporting verb is in the beginning of the sentence. Now look at the other sentence. Let's go for a walk, inverted comma. He said. Reporting verb is in the last of the sentence. Mohan is always ready to help you, she said to me, because you are my neighbor. Reporting verb is in the middle of the sentence. For changing direct speech into indirect speech, it is necessary to know that what kinds of sentences have been used inside the inverted commas. There are 5 kinds of sentences. You have to remember them one by one. Number 1, assertive sentence. We can call it declarative or statement. The sentences which expresses yes or no sense are called assertive sentence. For example, he is a student. He writes a letter. She was not a nurse. I did not go there. They are divided in 2 parts. One is affirmative sentence and second is negative sentence. Affirmative sentences expresses yes sense and negative sentences express no sense. Sentence number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence which is used to ask a question. Again, they are divided in 2 parts. Number 1, start with helping verb. Number 2, start with WH word. For example, are you naughty? Do you read a novel? These are called yes-no question. Start with auxiliary verbs, HMR, was, were, do, does, did, shall, will, etc. Start with WH word. How are you? What is your father's name? These start with WH questions such as what, when, where, how, why, who, etc. Third, imperative sentences. The sentence which expresses order, advice, request, command, etc. is called imperative sentence. The subject you is always hidden in this sentence. For example, bring a glass of water, stand up, sit down. These are called affirmative imperative sentences. Don't bring a glass of water, don't stand up, don't sit down. These are called negative imperative sentence. Next is optative sentence. The sentence which expresses wish or desire is called optative sentence. For example, may you live long, may God bless you, may God save the king. Generally, the optative sentences start with may. The exclamatory mark is used at the end of the optative sentence. Sometimes may is hidden. It means not given in the optative sentence. Fifth, exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses some sudden feeling of mind as joy, sorrow, surprise, suspicion, hate, applause, wonder, etc. is called exclamatory sentence. For example, he said, alas, I am ruined. The player said, comma, inverted comma, hooray, the cup is ours. He said, what a nice film it is. He said, what a horrible song. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching.